Snoring keeping you and your loved ones awake disturbs sleep, throat dryness, and difficulty in breathing. Snoring can impact your daily life.
Introducing Deviate Snoring Relief Drops. A gentle Ayurvedic formula designed to support clear breathing and restful sleep. Blended with soothing herbs like Draksha, Tulsi, and natural extracts. Known to support nasal congestion comfort, soothe throat dryness. Take the recommended drops before sleep for simple, gentle, and non-habiting solution.
Breathe easier, sleep deeper, wake up refreshed naturally.
Deviate Snoring Relief Drops for peaceful nights, relaxed breathing, and better sleep quality.
Order your BVR Snoring Relief Drops today.